I got a steak cooking here over the fire. Actually, I've never tried this before over an open fire, and I've kind of always wanted to try it out. And you definitely don't want to be in a rush for something like this, because it probably takes an hour and a half to 2 hours to get the coals. And then these sticks here, they were just like, small bushes, and they were, green, and there's been a lot of water and rain where I'm at, so they're not, catching on fire or anything, and they're up a ways. But the steak from cooking one side, then we're going to flip it. But I can tell you right here, that is really hot, just even above there. So that's cooking really good on those coals, and it's up a ways here, you can kind of see. But you get too low, you might burn it. But right where it is pretty good, and then it's just kind of resting on the rocks. And 4 branches seems to work pretty good. So we're going to try this out and see what it's all about. Okay, well, now one of these things, they burned up, but I think what would be handy definitely is have a little bit of water handy. And if the sticks start to kind of burn or dry out a little bit on the other sides of the steak, just kind of put a little water on there. And that will help. But then we ended up with 3, but it's not a big deal. And it's surprising how quick the steak cooked. But like, there it is right there, and it's just resting. And I had some gloves, thankfully, and we've got some cardboard we're sitting on because it's some rain up here. But the gloves might be handy because this is really hot. So even that high up, it's really hot. And so maybe some gloves or tongs. I didn't have any. And it cooks really quick, and I like my steak medium rare, so we're letting it rest. We're about ready to find out. That is one tasty steak. I'll tell you what, it tastes totally different. Well, you can make your house look, you got the grill marks, and maybe 4 to 5 minutes probably. 5 minutes probably. A little salt and pepper, and it's done right over the fire right here. Definitely try it out. Give it a thumbs up. Yep, that old steak I did, it's definitely a winner. It's definitely worth trying, and I'm gonna definitely do it some more. Don't be afraid to drop your steak right in the fire too. It kind of slipped, and I was flipping it and dropped it in there, but kind of dust it off there. It adds to the flavor, really. You gotta don't worry about stuff like that.